Welcome to Inspire Education, friends. Today we are going to see what a bullish flag pattern is. A bullish flag is a continuation pattern suggesting that the current trend may continue. ये continuation pattern है, ये suggest करता है कि current trend continue करेगा. It is a bullish signal. So bullish flag basically signifies uptrend. Therefore it confirms the continuation of the current uptrend. A bullish flag follows a steep or nearly vertical rise in price. This is a steep or nearly vertical rise in price and consists of two parallel trend lines. These are the two parallel trend lines that the bullish flag has. That forms a rectangular flag shape. ये flag shape जैसा दिख रहा है and therefore the pattern name is flag pattern. The vertical uptrend that precedes a flag may occur because of the buyer's reaction to a favorable company earnings. ये जो vertical uptrend पैटर्न फॉर्म होने से पहले अपने को दिख रहा है दैट मीन बिकॉज ऑफ बायर्स रिएक्शन टू फेवरेबल कंपनी अर्निंग और अनाउंसमेंट और न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कुछ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ होगी अल्टीमेटली कंपनी में. द शार्प इंक्रीज इन प्राइस इज समटाइम्स रिफर्ड टू एज फ्लैग पोल और मस्ट. इसको ये जो शार्प इंक्रीज इन प्राइस है दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्लैग पोल और मस्ट. The rectangular flag shape is the product of what the technical analyst refers to as consolidation. Consolidation occurs when the price swings between the upper and the lower limit. ये जो rectangular flag shape form हो रहा है, this is what is referred as the consolidation phase that the prices of the stock are seeing. There's buyers or sellers में से कोई भी no one is able to win the race. This is the fight between the bulls and the bears which is going on, but no result is coming up yet. This might happen, for example, in the days following a positive product announcement when the excitement is starting to subside. See, this was a vertical uptrend जो कि आया. Now the excitement of the news in the company has is starting to subside and fewer buyers are willing to pay a high price, but sellers are also not selling at a low price, so a fight is going on still. A bullish signal occurs when the price rebounds beyond the upper trend line of the flag formation. Bullish signal यहाँ occur करेगा इस point पे when the price rebounds the upper trend line. ये upper trend line को जब price ऊपर की तरफ cross करेगा तब bullish signal generate होगा and the price continues in the original upward movement, and finally after crossing these levels जो है price continues the upward movement which was the initial जो trend था market का वो ही follow होगा. Some important characteristic in this pattern are, the first one is trend lines. That in trend lines flags are similar to pennants. However, with a flag the price trend lines tend to be parallel. ये जो trend lines है ये parallel रहेंगी. Volume decreases as the flag develops. जैसे जैसे flag develop हो रहा है volume decrease होता है, but the breakout पे volumes should increase. The duration of this pattern can form in as short as 5 days or as long as 3 to 4 weeks. 3 to 4 weeks से ज़्यादा का अगर duration है तो pattern is little doubtful. Maybe a false signal is being generated. So a maximum duration of 4 weeks is the stipulated time duration for the formation of the pattern. Talking about targets, the length of the flagpole indicates the potential price increase. When the flag completes, the price typically jumps to replicate the height of the flagpole. जितना flagpole का height होगा उतना ही आपका target होगा. So the target price is equal to the length of the flagpole. An upside breakout may take place here. जबकि ये volumes cross होंगे the pattern complete होगा. So this is how a bullish flag pattern is formed. I hope I have made myself clear. Thank you so much. For any queries do you have, you may log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you.